I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the dough. In this video, I will explain how to make pizza recipe. Combine 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 7 grams of active dry yeast, and 200 milliliters of warm water in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for 8 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface. Once smooth, place it in an oiled bowl cover and let it rise for at least 1 hour. Next, let's prepare your pizza base. Spread a flavorful sauce made from crushed tomatoes, garlic, and basil over your rolled-out dough, leaving a 1-inch border. Then, get creative with your favorite toppings. Consider classic pepperoni, fresh vegetables, or a blend of cheeses. Remember, less is often more to ensure even cooking and a crispy crust. Now for the exciting part, baking. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or steel inside. Carefully slide your prepared pizza onto the hot surface. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let it cool for a minute, then slice and enjoy your homemade masterpiece. To elevate your pizza, always use high-quality ingredients. They truly make a difference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flours or even a sourdough starter for unique flavors. For an extra crispy crust, brush the edges with a little olive oil before baking. And hey, while you're checking out the description for other great deals, you'll also find a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.